Hey guys, I'm Raquel Lily with Adorama here, and today we will be talking about the IK Multimedia iRig Pre 2. So for those of you who do not know what this is, it is a mobile microphone interface that allows you to plug in your microphone, any microphone, to a phone, an iPad, a DSLR camera, or whatever you could think of. So we're gonna go ahead and unbox this and show you the specs. Be sure to check out adorama.com to get the best deals, whether it's recording video and audio at home, setting up your live stream, or getting some music gear. Adorama has it all. So if you're a musician or a content creator like myself, you will find this really helpful in whatever content that you're trying to throw out there. For one thing, if you're using a phone to create your content, it's really cool to get a piece of gear like this where you're not forced to use a built-in microphone, which if you're trying to do something like pick up an electric guitar or use something like an XLR microphone, you know it's going to be superior to any built-in mic. All right, all right, let's see. We got user manual stuff right out the box, QR codes to help you with the ease of setup. So the two QR codes they feature here on the card that comes out of the box is to register your product, which if you want to activate your warranty, get enhanced app features, or get jam point discounts on the IK products that are available on their store, you could do that all from this one code. On the second, you can download the apps, which includes the software that allows you to actually use the iRig on whatever you're using it on your phone, camera, etc. So the second QR code down here includes two free IK Multimedia apps, the iRig recorder for free, and the Vocal Live recorder also for free. I definitely love free things, so... And what's really cool about the iRig is that it is super affordable. You can pick it up at Adorama today, which is where I got mine from. Ooh, it comes with two AA batteries right out of the box. I love when products come out of the box and have batteries that you could immediately plug into and use on the go in case you're like, emergency, I need an iRig and I need this to work now. This actually has 20 hours of battery life. So pretty impressive for a tiny little preamp that fits in your pocket. Voila. As you can see, there's a lot of really cool integrated features on here. And here's the back where the batteries go in. And here is the XLR input on the bottom. A cool feature about this is that you could use TRS or TRRS, mono or stereo. And it is auto sensing, so it'll immediately pick up whether or not you're using mono or stereo, and the device is smart enough where it can detect that. And it also comes with this strap, so Velcro, woo, love Velcro. All right, so far a really cool, precise box. I mean, not much comes in it. So let's talk quickly about the XLR located on the bottom of the iRig right here. So I'm just gonna take my NT1A by Rode and plug straight in as if I were doing something like a music stream or recording something, whatever it is. You wanna plug in a phantom power required condenser microphone like this one into the iRig. It's really simple. All you have to do is plug it in. Like so. So now you're able to plug this side into your phone, your iPad, or your DSLR camera. And there is a simple on-off switch on the bottom. And if you could see to the very far end of it, here's your off. If you switch it all the way to the right, you could see 48 volts, which means that's your phantom power, and it is ready to go and ready to be sung into or whatever you're doing through the iRig. If you're wondering if you can use like a handheld mic to interview people or to do podcasts with, or if you're just on the go and you're not using a condenser microphone, you definitely can plug something in like this Sennheiser that I have. This is my favorite microphone, the Sennheiser E935. And the same thing, same concept, you just plug in with the XLR. You don't need phantom power. And if your microphone doesn't need phantom power, not to worry. You can just switch it back to the on position in the middle here and you're good to go. If you're wondering, well, how can I monitor myself? How can I hear everything that's going on? Well, cool thing about this is that there is a 3.5mm headphone audio jack that you can plug straight into. So I'm just gonna take my Beyerdynamic DT770 Pros. So you could take your microphone. I'm just gonna quickly plug in my NT1A. You could actually turn the direct monitoring on, turn it to the on position, and there is an adjustable numbered gain knob right next to that. As you can see, it says 10. You can turn it down. Awesome. And since this microphone needs phantom power, we're gonna turn that on. And you can actually also control the gain of your microphone on the iRig itself. And the gain control's right there. Hello, hello? Oh, I could hear it. Hello. So before I briefly discuss with you how I would want to use this for content creation, let's say you're trying to stream on your Twitch, make some content for your TikTok, make an Instagram reel, whatever it is. Let's say you have an iPhone, or you could pretend this is an Android too, depending on what kind of plug you have. That's really the only difference that this part's gonna make. However, I do have an iPhone, so I'm gonna go ahead and take my Thunderbolt adapter to my 1/8 inch cable, adapt it like so, and it plugs straight into my iPhone 13 Pro, just like this. And now you could pull up whatever app that you're trying to create on, or you can take your camera and record video just like this. Just looking at this and playing around with this in the past few minutes, straight out of the box, this is a product that I would definitely recommend to anybody who is trying to ease their mobile setup or try and up their game as far as taking your phone out there, creating content. And if you were not satisfied with the microphone, let's say on your DSLR camera, and you want to take that up a notch, you could definitely pair this as well with a rig like that. This is super lightweight. It could fit in your pocket. You could strap it onto anything, and it's just really convenient if you don't want to lug around a preamp for a microphone or an entire really heavy mixing board. All the basics are covered right here in your iRig 2. That's it for me, guys. Thank you so much for watching my product review and unboxing. My name is Raquel Lily. Until next time, I'll see you guys later.